Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be working at my local city Master Gardeners annual tour. And in today's video, I hope to highlight some of those gardens and maybe show you some ideas that you might be able to do in your yard. So anyway, let's see what they're like.
Were these hollies. This whole back half of the house was covered in hollies. So we trimmed those. Most of this was given to us. This is a lot of propagation, a lot of taking old plants from other people's houses. So like the amaryllis here, the butterfly bushes, the sunshine ligustrum. We did buy this Jane magnolia.
It's very hardy.
Over here, these are reused tiki torches with hanging planters on top of them. This liripe was here. We did add the holly ferns. And these are foxtail ferns in front of them. This doesn't get sun until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's mostly shade. I built these lanterns, the lantern backdrops from reclaimed wood. These bushes here in the front, these were given to us, brought back to life.
Just from all the rain we've had?
That is. This usually sits in about 3 inches of water when it rains. That's why we do mostly pots in this area, because they don't seem to mind. This was a holly that we was given to us out of somebody else's yard. These sunshine ligustrums were also from another yard, and they were just sticks when we put them in about 1.5 years ago.
How long have you been there?
3 years. Okay. This fence here was left over. This whole side of the house had the black fencing across it, and we put in this wooden fence, privacy fence. And so we took the leftovers and used them there. Yeah. This is our vegetable garden. We've got peppers, tomatoes, tomatillos, squash, strawberries, onions. There's also 2 apple trees in the back. Yeah.
They are. They're just blue. Thank you for telling us.
This is our pollinator section of the garden, which will eventually be filled with flowers. Do what now?
How do you know they're ripe?
They're ripe now.
Okay.
They will actually start to turn red if you leave them on, which they'll be sweeter.
What do you do with them?
Pickle them.
You do? You
Mhm.
pickle them?
I do.
What do you put them?
Vinegar, water, garlic.
Eat them year round?
Yes.
Are they like pepperoncinis once you pick one?
Yep.
Right. These are apple trees.
These are Anna apple trees.
Many people grow apples in Louisiana.
I'm not sure.
Hadn't seen them.
But these are their second year. These are all Louisiana irises.
Oh, Louisiana.
This whole back section was full of privet and poison ivy. This was like a dog run. It had a fence here. You couldn't even, there was probably 2 feet behind the garage that you could even walk 3 years ago. That's actually a piece of crepe myrtle from our crepe myrtle over here
Wow.
that we planted succulents in.
Devin, these are all ours.
Yes.
They got them off the top.
So crazy.
It does. It's been trimmed twice this year.
Y'all use a lot of mint?
He does. He'll dry it, use it in teas. This was a wisteria that just popped up out of the ground that we decided to build a trellis for and just left it. I did build those. I like to take reclaimed wood. I built this bench with reclaimed wood, the coffee table. We actually have done some landscaping for other people, and when we take out their plants and put in new plants, we'll save them, which is where this lantana came from. I did build those. Those are old ceiling tiles from a building in downtown Shreveport.
Y'all want to mention your names?
Yeah. My name's Devin Newcomer. I'm originally from Monroe, Louisiana. Transplanted here to Shreveport. This is actually old lampshades that I took the fabric off of and put wire on.
My wife showed me a picture of this last night with the rake.
Yeah.
I remember that now.
And this is my potting bench that was made with reclaimed lumber.